I'm Jesse with ProFlow Maintenance. I'm here just to give a lot of credit to General Pipe Cleaners for the JM mini jetter. It's done me well. It's done the job. I made my money back on it probably in about 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I usually offer a 90-day warranty on all the kitchen jetters that I do. It'll jet up to 3-inch lines.
Yeah.
And so far I haven't had to go back for anything
that's
as far
amazing.
as any callbacks. And I use it for an annual maintenance, quarterly maintenance. I have no complaints or concerns about it. And it's very light. It's almost like carrying a toolbox around. It weighs about 25 pounds. It's compact, and it doesn't break the bank or the back.
That's good. And thank you very much for using our equipment.
Thank you.